Welcome to Web3 Newsroom. Here are today's top headlines in Web3 news. Bitcoin sees best day in over a month. US Treasury open to Nonbanks issuing stablecoins. Stablecoin provider Circle eyes public listing in Q4 this year. OpenSea announced Solana Launchpad, allowing creators to host a new mint from beginning to end on OpenSea. BTC climbed to 23,000. It's the highest level since mid-June. Edward Moya said the crypto sentiment is improving amid signs that the global economy will remain on solid footing for the near future, and that the US Central Bank will raise interest rate at its next meeting by 0.75 percentage point rather than by 1 percentage point, as some monetary policy observer had predicted last week. Moya said, if Bitcoin continues to stabilize here over the next 2 weeks, the crypto winter could be over. As Congress consider a path for non-banks to be allowed to issue stablecoins, Nellie Liang, the U.S. Treasury Department's Undersecretary for Domestic Finance, said that it's fine with the agencies that once recommended issuers be regulated as banks. The President's Working Group on Financial Market, which recommended last year that the stablecoins belong inside the regulated banking industry, didn't mean to be overly rigid about how crypto firms might hit that mark. Earlier, Liang told the forum audience that digital assets have the potential to really fundamentally reform payments. Last week, Circle, the company behind the stablecoin, released its first monthly full breakdown of the assets backing the token. USDC is the second largest stablecoin by market cap. Its CFO, Fox Jin, pointed out that the Circle is a U.S. registered financial service company operating under the same regulatory framework that applies to payment companies like Apple with its Apple Pay product, PayPal, the operator of mobile payment service Venmo. When asked whether any crypto lending company have ever approached Circle with requests to borrow from its USDC reserves, Jeremy said, although he's only been at the company for 18 months, he's not aware of anything like that happening in the history of the stablecoin. Fox Jin said, and Circle has been always clear that the USDC reserve cannot be used for any other purpose. July 18th, OpenSea announced Solana Launchpad. OpenSea says they believe a multi-chain future where people on OpenSea have access to NFT across a vast number of blockchains. In the last year, OpenSea has emerged among the top blockchains for NFT, and we share their vision of a scalable and inclusive NFT ecosystem. With this new Launchpad experience, OpenSea hopes that the creators can now host a new mint from beginning to end on OpenSea. That will help creators navigate all pre-mint activities, allow list minting for the community and supporters, as well as post-mint and secondary sales.